When folks have a serious injury case in this state, in Georgia, and they're trying to figure out what to do, that can be a very stressful thing. You may not have been through this before, and so how would you know what to do? And there's not a lot of good information out there. There's not a lot of guides or handbooks that are going to make it very clear to you what you do when you've had an auto crash resulting in serious injuries in Georgia. That is the primary reason why you consult with an attorney and hire an attorney. What you're doing when you hire an attorney is you are hiring somebody whose judgment and advice you can rely on because it is more experienced than your own. And so once you hire that attorney, you need to listen to the attorney's advice, assuming you have hired a good attorney. The best thing you can do when you have a case is after you hire that attorney, just make sure that attorney keeps you notified of what's going on in the case. It's also easy, if you've not hired the right attorney, to simply assume that your attorney is doing their job. Why wouldn't you assume that? Now, I'm not saying nag your attorney and call their office or bombard them with email every day, but if you haven't heard from that attorney about anything in 3 or 4 months, shoot them an email. Here you will get notice as to what is going on in your case, and we make the effort to move your case forward. That can be the most difficult thing too in litigation as an attorney is, you're cutting through the barriers that the other side puts up. And one of the things that you see corporations, if you have, say, a driver that's been negligent that works for a big company, and then they get their attorneys involved, the insurance carrier's attorneys involved, is they want to delay cases. They typically have a lot of cases. The attorneys are busy. They delay it for that reason, and they delay it for reasons that are worse than that as well, because as the accident victim in a car crash, time is not on your side. Cases have to be moved, and that is a major challenge in litigation.